In this video, we'll be talking about the plumbing fixture tags in the mechanical productivity pack. I have the dynamic title sheet opened up, and this will give some good examples of all the types of tags. If I scroll down to that family, you can see what types are available. So we can indicate area for roof drains. We can indicate fixture units for waste and vent riser diagrams. And we also have some functionality that'll include information for primer connections when that's necessary. There's a handful of tags that you'll use commonly throughout. This is the most common one. And I want you guys to know that we did include parameters to flex this shape if you need to. So if you go into Edit Type, the border width and height, you can change the outline of this. Let's look at a couple different examples. So maybe we're going to work on a storm riser diagram. Let's create a new 3D view. And let's apply a view template. So here's the sample project, storm riser diagram. We've talked about this plan already quite a bit, so I won't dwell on it. But essentially we can save the orientation and lock the view. And let's go to Annotate, Tag All, and let's choose Plumbing Fixtures. So we want to do identity and roof area. So we can select just the tags and move those off to the side. There we go. So let's say you're doing a waste and vent riser diagram. So in this view, change this to a smaller scale. You can tag all as well. Go down to plumbing fixtures. We're going to do identity and waste fixture units. So there we go. This is a little jarbled, so probably not my best idea. I'm going to turn some leaders on, and then we'll drag some of this stuff off one another. So you get the idea though. So waste fixture units. You can also do the same with domestic fixture units. The sink. There, now that's a little better. Not perfect, but it's better. Also, these tags, we've included comments built in, just like the duct tags. So, for example, let's go to a plan and tag. Oh, I guess the pipe tag is the next video, so we'll hold off on that. So gas loads, this would be something you'd use in your gas riser diagram, just like the mechanical equipment. Family name and type name is something that we use on the test elements. Description is nice if you want to call out existing information. So you can change to description, and then you're not calling out a specific number. You're just using more of a name. So for example, if this was an existing element, what you would see is that in the tag. So you guys can use and modify them as you wish. Hope you enjoy.